Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube review channel. So today we are reviewing the Ryobi One Plus 18 volt 10-inch cordless chainsaw. They claim it's 2 times faster cutting. One thing's for sure, Ryobi products have always been my favorite. I have over 12 tools of Ryobi, and this tool, my mother has a fallen tree, so it's going to work out perfectly. I was waiting to do the review. It's very small, very simple. Get a nice manual in here. So it looks like you got to cut the cardboard out to get to it. Alright. Definitely lightweight. So that's it. So it looks like press to oil chain. So we're gonna have to put oil in here because it does not come with it, and this one does not come with a battery. So if you want a battery, check out the link in my video description. But we have over 10 batteries for all of our tools, so just goes on the side here just like that, and that's it. So we're gonna put oil in here first before we get started. You know, they say you have to have a specific type of oil, but to be quite honest, I've used any oil that I've had laying around. I've been doing that for 8 years, and I still have tools that are working perfectly fine. So, you know, just add a little bit of oil. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, now that we have oil in here, we're going to go ahead and prime the chain. 1, 2, 3. Normally 3 times is a charm. Still again. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Okay, let's check the chain here. Make sure your hand's away. Chain is tight enough. Chain tension is back over here, so if you ever need to make it tighter, you go there. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's get started. Let's see how good this little thing is for this tree. So just like that, wow, that did a really good job. You can check out the tree right there. Maybe you guys can count the rings and see how old this little tree was that came down. But yeah, I'm very impressed. Better than gas. I do recommend having a high-powered battery, which 4.0 AH or higher, and having 1 or 2 spare depends on your job. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This gets a 9 out of 10. Very nice. I'm very happy. Links in my video description if you want to buy it. Hey guys, I wanted to stop and take a very quick break and ask if you guys could hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. It is very hard to grow these days, and if you could do that, that would mean so much to me. I really do appreciate it.